day with George and Steve. Here's the plan. George had a quick detailing session last week because all this paint was unbelievably flat, and it still is on the roof, but I didn't get around to cleaning the interior at all. And although it's not filthy or anything, it would benefit from a good spruce up. A few other little things tidied up if possible, like this. Could I do anything with that today? Maybe. Should I work on that bonnet? Yes. It do need cleaning. There's bits of stuff stuck on the dashboard still, and around the door shuts. These need a good clean up. And then the mirrors. Look, I missed all that bit there. I missed all the green bits. Oh, I thought I got it all, but evidently I didn't. Project Steve needs quite a bit more because inside it really does need a good vacuuming out. I need to fit this to the roof that's missing, fit a door card, fit an interior handle, and then, well, even just a wash would certainly help this car because that is rather mucky. Let's go! Call me old-fashioned if you like, but I'm not the biggest fan of gaffer tape covering up holes. There. Better. Well, my plan was just to wash it, but this door handle here just keeps bugging me. It really isn't very nice. It would screw through the middle there, and obviously it's very floppily, so I decided I'm going to do that first. When you take the door card off, it all becomes rather fiddly under there, and I think the best way is to take the glass out as well to remove any obstacles. Obstacles don't help. Oh dear, look, it's 2 o'clock and I haven't started washing either of the cars yet. But the broken door handle is off and the new one is mostly on. That's much better. Now I've just got to put the glass back in, the door card, and I can finally get around to cleaning it. On this occasion, I thought rather than showing you how to put the glass in, I'd show you me struggling to get the glass in, even though in actual fact it's a very easy job indeed. Well, it's all going quite well now. That door is complete except for the baggy bit of thing there, but that's working. I had to put a new clip on there, and I've got to put a new clip on this one because this handle's missing altogether. Oh, let's unscrew that first. And the clip's broken, so I need to put a new clip on it, like so. Yes, I couldn't quite film myself doing that because I haven't got 3 hands. Right, there we go. Will this work? And if it doesn't, then I've done it wrong, obviously, but yeah, good. Okay, so another job done. Once the heater resistor comes back, put that back in, put the parcel shelf back in, and we're starting to have a proper car. But now, onto some cleaning. So do those shuts first, all this oily stuff out of the way. Just a quick wash over with a brush and a special sponge. Should I tell you what's special about it? The name, Special. Oh, that's much nicer. And now, lots more before and after shots.
Wow, look at that thing. Oh, wow. Oh, boy, that was a very good crystal. Wow.
Yeah, that's good.
Wow. Great cracking.
Certainly looking a lot better than it did do before. And now time to break out the vacuum cleaner. Vacuum this lot, please. Another before and after for you. There's a dusty dashboard, dusty bits down there, and oh look, suddenly it's all clean. Isn't that fantastic, eh? Me. Quick shot of my vacuuming work, and it is a quick shot because I haven't got time to make those carpets perfect. Just better. And now on to George. That's just a quick vacuum out. I haven't even started the proper cleaning yet, and already it looks fantastic. When I cleaned this car last week, it really was just a quick wash over. I didn't even get around to doing these door shuts, so that's where I'm going to start. Because they do look a bit grotty. Yes. It's amazing I left that, really. Quite a bit better. Okay, see if we can clean these seats up a little bit. This car is really scrubbing up nicely. Seats are a bit better, but still need quite a bit more cleaning yet. My back's really starting to go with that now, and it's become that time where 6 o'clock I should go home. But first of all, I fancy a curry. Jump! Jumpy jump indeed. This evening, when my wife watches this video, she's going to discover that that chicken was already out of date when I cooked it. And that was 3 days ago. Now, in conclusion to today's events, I'm happy with the Rover 600 interior, but not the paint. But I'm more happy with this, because this has come up quite well. There's lots of things like that it needs sorting out. The headlamps want buffing, and obviously it's covered in small dents everywhere. And these wheels aren't really great, but I think this car's actually got some potential. Could do with sorting that out as well. Crusty, stuck on thingy there. Doesn't look brilliant. Yes, quite pleased with that. So pleased I'm going to take it home.